Welcome to this recipe, which is more of a morning ritual than just a recipe, and it's all about the chai. Early morning chai done with ginger and cardamom. That's what I'm going to show you right now. We're going to start with a knob of ginger, and we can grate it, or you can use your food processor. We are also going to need a half a teaspoon of cardamom. We're going to use some sugar or sugar substitute, and I will be making this recipe with regular black tea bags that are easily available in the supermarket. Now, I like to measure the water for my tea based on the cup in which I'm going to drink the tea, and I typically fill up about 3/4 of it with water. I add cardamom to my pan and also the ginger so that all of it can boil together and infuse the water with its aroma. Make sure the flame is set to high at this time. Once the water starts boiling, add your tea bags and let them steep in there for a while. And then fill up the rest of the top of the cup with whole milk, but you can use any kind of milk that you use at home. Except for when it's vegan milk, do not add it to the boiling water and do not boil the milk. Just add it after the tea liquor has been strained into your cup. Now just allow the tea to boil and simmer. You'll see that it comes to the top of the brim of the pan, and that's a good sign. You'll see it foaming, you'll see it simmering. Turn down the heat so that it can keep simmering at a low flame setting, or you may need to take it off the stove for a bit and then bring it back on. So the continuous boiling or the rolling boil of the tea leaves and the aromatics is what gives the classic chai its steepened, deep, earthy taste. And so this is a very essential process in chai making, to constantly boil the tea leaves with the aromatics. So don't forget this step and don't make any shortcuts. Continue to boil this tea and boil it down till the color of the chai starts to resemble the color of caramel or dulce de leche. That's when you know your tea is ready to be taken off the stove. And you can turn off the flame at this time. You're going to need a cup. In this case, I'm using a terracotta teacup and it's called Cooler. These are handmade and I got them from India. But you can strain it in any cup that you have. Add sugar to the bottom of your cup or sugar substitute. Strain the tea using a tea strainer. And voila, there you have it. Stir the sugar in for that nice sweetness. Your life will change forever. You'll not do the boiled water with a tea bag anymore if you get a taste of this chai. Recipe cards for this recipe can be found on my Instagram at Queen's Curry Kitchen or on my Facebook page, Queen's Curry Kitchen.